Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick pizza oven. First, begin by building a small fire in the center of your oven using kindling, then slowly add larger pieces of dry hardwood. You'll want to reach a temperature between 705 degrees and 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This process typically takes about 1 hour, ensuring the oven walls absorb and radiate heat evenly for perfect cooking. Once your oven is hot, it's time to prepare the cooking surface. Carefully push the glowing embers and ash to one side of the oven, creating a clean, open space for your pizza. Then, use a long-handled brass brush to thoroughly sweep the oven floor, removing any remaining ash or debris. Keep a small, consistent flame going to maintain that ideal cooking temperature. Now for the exciting part, launching your pizza. Lightly dust your pizza peel with semolina flour to ensure the dough slides off smoothly. With a swift, confident motion, slide your prepared pizza directly onto the hot brick floor. Pizza cooks incredibly fast in a brick oven, often in just 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Remember to rotate it every 30 to 60 seconds for a perfectly even, crispy crust. After enjoying your delicious pizzas, it's important to properly care for your oven. Allow the oven to cool down naturally over several hours. Do not try to rush the process. Once completely cool, use a small shovel and brush to scrape out any remaining ash and debris. Finally, cover the oven opening with its door or a protective cover to shield it from moisture and maintain its longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.